Alright guys, we're going to continue. This one is ring. I want you to pause the video and talk about how would you spell ring. You say R-I-N-G. You are correct. Ring. Alright, what's the next one? Ship. Ship. Oh, I'm going to go back for a second. So ring and ring. Those two words rhyme because they end in N-G. And we have an I-N-G. Ing. Alright, now we have ship. Ship. Are you ready? I want you to pause the video and talk about how do you spell ship. You said S-H-I-P. You are correct. Ship. What diagraph do we have in there? S-H. That's right. We have the diagraph S-H. So I would underline that. Alright, good job guys. Now we have shell. Sh-E-O. Shell. Alright guys. You should pause the video. How do you spell shell? Alright, if you said S-H-E-L-L. You are correct. Shell. Alright guys, we're going to spell Sadie's words. Are you ready? We're going to skywrite them, okay? The first word is fish. Fish. Alright, let's spell Sadie. Are you ready? Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. Next word is ship. Let's talk it out. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Then we have whip. W-I-P. Whip. W-I-T-H. Whip. Thing. Thing. T-H-I-N-G. Alright, next one is sang. S-A-N-G. Sang. Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Wink. W-I-N-K. Wink. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. And then we have call. C-A-L-L. Call. And that's the all in the word call. Remember guys, if you're having a hard time with these, make sure you tap them out. You guys can think about, oh, I know how to diagraph. S-H says sh, or T-H says, or I-N-G says mm. And we have A-N-G. A-N-G says ang, ang. And we have an S-T. There's a blend of S-T, st, st. And we have n. Okay? Alright. Let's try the second word. This first word is all. All. A-L-L. All. Then put a C in front of it. All. Call. C-A-L-L. Call. Now we have day. This one's tricky. It has an A-Y at the end. The I is making the A face. Named A. So it's a long A. D. A. Alright, now we have her. Her. Now E-R says er. So we have and then we have want. Want. Alright. Now we're going to use these in a sentence. So we're going to pause the video, okay? I want you guys to try to see if you guys can figure it out, and then we're going to go up together. Are you ready? Pause the video and see if you guys can figure out how you put these in there. Alright. I blanked that one. If you said want, you're right. We blank like to play outside. We blank like to play outside. You said all. You're right. We all like to play outside. Alright, the next one. What blank is today? What blank is today? You said day. You are correct. Alright. Blank shoes have dots. Blank shoes have dots. You said her. You're correct. Remember, start with capital H at the beginning of the sentence. Her shoes have dots. I use this to blank my mom. I use this to call my mom. So call my mom. Good job, guys. Alright, we're going to read the story. This time, you're going to read Thump Thump Helps Out. This time, you're going to read Thump Thump Helps Out.